Hey everybody, this is your brother Dwayne. Hey, I just wanted to drop a line to you to let you know that we are seeing good traction as it relates to our Marriage by Design group coaching session coming up. I just wanted to say a little word about group coaching. You know, a lot of people may not have ever participated in one, but I want to let you know that group coaching is very powerful because it's an opportunity to be in a community. You get to hear testimonies from other people. You get to hear about struggles that individuals have, but it's done in a respectful way and in a manner that still allows them to maintain utmost privacy as it relates to their various challenges. Yet they're able to still seek out to see, is it someone going through this? Is it me going through this by myself? What can we do? And then there are assignments, there's homework, there's dialogue, there's Q&A. There's so much that's happening. So please hit the link, go to our website and watch the link where it talks about how to register and become part of this community. Remember the dates: November 18, November 25, December 2nd, and December 9th. 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We can't wait to see you there as God helps us all get back on his biblical blueprint of marriage by his design. See you then.